So, hi dear Sagittarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also if it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with the Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. It's a 1 hour masterclass. If you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots or book your reading accordingly. And if you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com. The previous mail is not working anymore. Now let's see. Sagis, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Page of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Page of Pentacles. Someone is watching you like crazy from a distance. Someone is watching you like crazy from a distance. Someone is still hoping for some kind of reconnection between you and them. At the same time, this person is not hoping for a full-on reconciliation or coming back together as lovers or partners, but they are hoping for, they are feeling like there is still a possibility of having a friendship kind of a deal or having a restart in the connection and maybe remain friends for the rest of your lives or whatever, but they continuously feel that there's still a chance, there is still a hope, and they're watching you like crazy from a distance. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Sagis? They feel a very strange pull towards you, right? But at the same time, they feel that either it's not possible to be with you for like a couple or something, or they are over this idea of being with you for like a relationship kind of a deal. What they want, okay, this is their wish fulfillment. They want to get their wish fulfilled, and their wish is to reconnect with you at some point of time and have a, you know, have a good energy exchange. Now the good energy and exchange might be friends with benefits kind of energy, because King of Wands is someone who is like wearing their heart on their sleeves and living in the moment and enjoying the moment and not thinking too much about the future or past. So they might want a connection with you where they are happy, you are happy, and both of you are not connected with each other on that level. Understand now what kind of wish fulfillment is this? Wow. So they want to wait for the time when they will be able to fulfill their wishes and desire in some way with you. Okay. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December. We have the Justice, the Devil, the Ace of Swords. Okay, whatever is going on between you guys, this person will try their best to clear the air with you and communicate with you with honesty and with this energy of this is the truth of the situation. Maybe regarding a third party dynamic, maybe they cheated on you, maybe they lied to you, maybe they did something behind your back that you got to know about. Whatever it is, this person will try to sort it out with you. They are going to be in this energy of, okay, let me be honest with you, let me tell you the truth about the situation or truth about something or someone. So someone is coming forward towards you to tell you the truth, to give you the clarity, to give you the answer of whatever they did with you in the past. Wow, it, like the devil in between this Justice and the Ace of Swords is clearly telling me either they were in a third party kind of dynamic, or they cheated on you, or they lied to you, or they were in some kind of unfaithful kind of energy towards you in some way in the past, and now they just want to clear the air with you, and they're coming forward towards you with some kind of clarity or truth, and then afterwards they are going to be like leaving the situation in your hands. Whatever you are going to do, whatever you are going to decide, they are going to go ahead with that. But someone is ready to tell you the truth in some way regarding whatever they did or whatever happened between you guys, or if you are the one who messed it up, they are ready to listen to you now at this point. Now they're ready for you. The guidance here is the Lovers. Choose very wisely when it comes to a love and relationship area, because the person that you are that you were connected to, the Devil and the Lovers together, definitely there was a third party kind of a dynamic, maybe romantic third party or third parties, and or some kind of other issues in the situation. Now when you are going to listen to this person, keep that in mind, that you don't have to give them another shot if you feel you should not. If you feel with your heart and soul that you should give them another shot and this situation is recoverable and you can trust them again, definitely do that. But at the same time, keep in mind, whatever happened for a reason. Do not forget that reason. Okay, then move forward, keeping the reason in your mind, keeping the situation and the reality check in your mind, then move forward. Okay, don't forget about that. Forgive, but don't forget. Cool. Now, thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.